Hi friends, and welcome back to Discourse of a Divine Diva. I am Haley, and it's been a while since I have made a new unboxing video. Life happens, it happens, I'm way behind, but we're gonna try to catch up. So today I have the very big FabFitFun box. This is the winter box. I think they may still have some editor's choice boxes or whatever left. I will link below and have some more information if possible, because I didn't look it up just now. But I'm going to unbox this puppy for you. I've had it for a little over a month, I think, and I peeked in, but I didn't take anything out because I wanted to share it with you. And life has just been hectic. You know, the holidays get insane, and this is the first time I've had time and haven't had a migraine, so I can do this for you. So there's a lot of great things in this box. I did get to choose 3 of the items out of a selection of about 5 items, and we'll talk about that when we get into it. FabFitFun is $50 seasonally, so every few months they do have new ones, and you get to choose 3 items. When I first signed up, I was able to choose 5 items, and I really liked that. And then with this next, this is my second box. With this one, I only got to choose 3, and then you have to pay more to upgrade to choose more, which I'm not a fan of. So I don't know if I'll be getting more boxes. I certainly don't need this stuff, but it's really fun. And it's fun to share it with you. So we're going to get into this and have a good time. Hi folks, I am just hopping on real quick. I am editing the video right now, and it seems there was some kind of problem with the light where it's like roller coastering from cool tone to really yellow toned, and I don't know why that is. This is the first time that I've had that issue. So just be aware that I am aware, and it's unfortunate, sorry, but it is what it is because I'm not reshooting this whole video. So have fun. All right, when you open this puppy up, it is packed really well. Woo, there is a magazine. So they have different people on the cover. There's interviews and articles and all of that. We'll get into that. They also usually have a starter box coupon you can send to friends. This is $15 off your first box, which is weird because I have a box. So this is probably something I can give to a friend. And they do have the HelloFresh things. I get the Gobble box, so I don't need HelloFresh. Now, with the magazine, which is just a cute detail, they do have various articles. They talk about a lot of the products that you can choose, that you could have chosen from for the box. They talk about stuff that's in the box. Just different tidbits, information, all of that. I think it's a really fun, more educational product to have in the box, where all of it is laid out in this fun sort of magazine type of way. So that's really fun. I enjoy that. And let's rip into this box, okay? All right, I'm definitely going to need the magazine to be able to tell you about these products. So the first thing on top here is the color switch. This is a thing that helps you switch shades when you're applying your makeup. So let's open it up. All right, this is what it looks like, and it's basically just like a spongy, kind of scratchy, I don't exactly know what it's made out of because there's nothing on the box to tell me. There's no water or liquids required. So you're going to take your makeup brush, which I don't have one here with me, and just rub it in here, and it takes off whatever shade you've just used, so you can reuse the brush quickly into another color. I've seen these and I really wanted to try it. Just because it seems like it would be really helpful. And I think for travel too, it would be super helpful to be able to just take a few brushes and be able to clean them off really quick and use them for other products, other colors, that kind of thing. So it does have a little top and I'm really excited to try it. I've been eyeing these. I've heard some good things. So let me know if you've used one. All right, so the color switch is something that I got to choose because I was really looking forward to that. And the makeup eraser is something that came in everyone's box. So this is basically a kind of washcloth to take off your makeup. I have a really small black one that I've been using that I got in another subscription thing. And it's really awesome. It's really soft. I'm taking it out now. This is way bigger than the one I have. It is a soft, like, microfiber cloth, and you just take your makeup off and you can wash it in the sink with soap and water. There's some particles in the air, and it's just like a really soft cloth for your face, and it does a really good job of taking off eye makeup and all of that jazz. I really like these things. Like I said, I've been using the small one, so I have a little bit of experience with it, but it's so soft. It's really soft. Oh, and I did want to tell you what the prices are of these things. This is $16.99, the color switch thing, and the makeup eraser is $20 regular price, just so you know. All right, next up are these gorgeous lashes. These are the Ban.Do Lashes Monroe 3D Silk Lashes and Glue Kit. These are really bold lashes that provide length and dramatic volume for up to 25 uses, which I don't usually get that many uses out of the lashes that I use. These retail for $32, so I certainly would never go buy a $32 pair of lashes, but these are absolutely gorgeous. I'm wondering how the glue works with them. I don't wear lashes that often, but the last few times I've gone out, I have worn lashes, and I'm wearing some today. I'm wearing the Kiss Falscara lashes. You don't necessarily glue them on. You put kind of an adhesive mascara on, and these go underneath instead of on top of your lid. So these go underneath, like against your lashes. I'm testing them out because, and I'll get up close in a minute, but I do want to show you what these look like. They are quite lovely, and I like that the band is a little bit more thin. I'm definitely gonna have to trim these though. Anyway, I'm excited to try them, and then I will show you a close-up of my lashes right now. I am all up in your business, but you can kind of get an idea of what these look like, and they are just sitting on underneath here. It did take a little bit of configuring. These actually came off while I was tugging on them, and I had to re-put them on, but they feel good. They don't feel odd or anything. All right, I feel so out of practice with filming and unboxing right now. The next product is this Ban.Do Bluetooth shower speaker. This is something that I chose because I thought it would be fun. I do have a speaker in my bathroom, and I hook it to my iPad to play music while I'm taking a shower and doing my hair and all of that fun stuff. This does have a suction cup. I just thought there would be something fun. So it is water resistant speaker. It has a 32-foot range. It is $30. It has this really pretty floral print on it. It does have little buttons for back and forth and on and off, and a phone one too, actually. So I guess you could talk to people in the shower. That's interesting. And it does have a USB charging cord too. So another thing I'm just excited to play with that I would not go out and buy for myself at any given point. Skipping back to a product that was in everybody's box. This is the Drybar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This is a lightweight detangler for your hair that uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees and leave your hair soft and conditioned. It retails for $23. That's always something I can use. I I generally just let my hair air dry because I have naturally curly hair, but I just started doing this side swept bang thing, as you can see. And so I really like the way it looks when my hair's straightened and curled and all of that mess. So this is definitely something I can use. I'm going to give it a sniff. So it has a very light kind of amber musky smell. It's not overpowering, it's not too much, and it seems like something that might just kind of evaporate as it is used, you know what I mean? Like, it's not a heavy scent. Anyway, I'm super excited. I have only tried a few things from Drybar. I've definitely tried a dry shampoo from them, and I really like it, so I'm excited to use this. Next is another product that was in everybody's box. This is the Cuchillo Somatology Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. This is to calm your senses and cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, pro vitamin B5, and shea butter. It retails for $40. So definitely not something that I would go out and buy for myself, which is part of the fun of these boxes, is that you get to try these things that you wouldn't go out and buy. Maybe because they're really kind of expensive and out of your budget. Maybe it's something you don't need. Maybe it's something that you want to know how it works before you put the money into it. So I really love this, and opening this is like Christmas all over again because I forgot what was in here. I forgot what I chose, all of that. So it is very soapy like. It's very lavender, but it's not fake lavender. It smells very real and nice. So yeah, I'm excited to use it. I just ran out of soap not that long ago, but I might do this in the shower, just because that smell is so relaxing, especially if I shower before bed or something. So I'm excited. All right, next we have an awesome eyeshadow palette from Beauty Bakery. This is one I chose because in the grouping of things to choose from, while I don't need another palette, I haven't used anything from Beauty Bakery before, so I was really excited to try them. And the other things were just not for me. Like, there was a planner that was really beautiful, but I already have a planner. And there was a crossbody bag, but it was way too small to hold all the crap that I take with me when I go somewhere. So I chose this Beauty Bakery palette. This is the Proof is in the Puddin' palette. It has 5 matte and 4 shimmer shades. It is $38. So I'm really excited about this, and I will swatch it as I talk to you more about it. I'm going to show you swatches, but look how cute this packaging is. It reminds me of my childhood. We had a lot of banana pudding. So here are what the shades look like. You do have some really beautiful shimmer shades and some lovely mattes. It's definitely a very wearable neutral palette. It is on the warm side, but there are some more taupey colors and lighter colors here to choose from. And they are really smooth and really soft and really pretty. So I have swatched everything for you here. We have the mattes starting here, and I'm just going to show you my decorated arm, and then we get into the I didn't think this through, into the shimmer shades, which are also very lovely. I will say these two look very similar. They have that sort of bronzy yellow gold to them. This one is probably the most wearable for me because these are so warm. But it is a very pretty palette, and I am looking forward to trying it out. The last item in the box is the Unhide Little Marshmallow. This is a faux fur blanket that retails for $65. I looked these up online because I wanted to know what the deal was, and they looked so soft that, oh, just this part is so soft. So I'm going to take this out of the package. This is quite a large blanket. It does have a kind of not velour, but kind of velour, but it's softer than velour backing, and then the front is this soft faux fur. It is so soft. Oh my gosh, it is very soft. Like I want to curl up in this right now, but I still have places to go. It does shed. People left reviews that said it doesn't shed. It does look like it sheds a little bit. I imagine shaking it out and then using it a bit, it won't be that bad. And even maybe after you wash it, can it be... It's 50 inches by 60 inches. Machine wash cold, tumble dry low. You can also dry clean it. All right, cool. It is made in the US, I believe. Anyway, so I imagine after you wash it, it's definitely not, maybe you can see all these particles in the air. I can't. Maybe it won't shed after that, hopefully. But it is so soft, and it's a great like throw blanket size. So when Outlander starts in a couple of weeks, I'm going to cuddle up with this in my Outlander PJs and my shortbreads that I'm going to make, and watch Outlander. So I'm really, really excited. This has been a really great box. There were a lot of really fun things, a lot of things that I wouldn't have gone out and purchased for myself, and things I'm really excited to kind of play with and use. And I don't know, it's really exciting. I always love opening these boxes because it is like Christmas, and I'm happy to share that with you. So let me know if you got the FabFitFun winter box. The spring one is going to come out soon. I think they're going to start doing the choices and things like that in February. So if you want to sign up, do it. It's really, really fun, and especially for the items that you get and the amount that the box is only $50, and you're getting all of these things, so it's a really great return on your money. There's a lot of stuff, and they also have like a pop-up shop or like discounted items. I ended up getting this Dermalect lip volumizer. I tried a serum by Dermalect. I'm still using it, and it's really fabulous. So it's made me look into more products from this company, and FabFitFun had this for a discounted price. I don't remember what it was. A lot of things are like $12 when they're $90 or something. So a lot of great deals to be had if you check out the pop-up shop, and they send things that you buy from that separately than the box. So I'm also excited to use the lip smoother, lip plumper, volumizer, whatever it is, because I really like this brand. So be advised, they do have some great discounts on extra products too, and even products like are in the box, like if you didn't get something and you wanted to, they usually have some of these items also available in the shop that you can pick up while they're available. So I really like this box. It's really fun. It would be a great gift for someone, yeah. So get to it, have fun, and let me know what you think about FabFitFun. If you've used it, things that you got in your box, did you get different stuff than I did? I would love to hear that. I'm gonna get back into the swing of things. I feel a little rusty, and I will have some other unboxings coming up for you soon. So thank you for hanging out with me, and I will catch you guys later. Stay sparkly. Bye.